Hello, my name is Bryn Howlett, co-founder and CEO of skyClutch. We build user-friendly websites and data sharing software.
And I'm Lori Scolari, the director of the Our Children, Our Families Counselor out of the mayor's office in San Francisco. We'd like to start by introducing you to Alicia. Alicia was born and raised in San Francisco. She grew up in the housing projects where, unfortunately, domestic violence was prevalent in her home. Throughout her childhood, she interacted with three key agencies. The first was San Francisco General Hospital, San Francisco Police Department, both of those due to the violence happening in her home. And then the one place of stability for her was San Francisco Unified School District. Alicia had lots of needs that were not being met. She needed dental care, asthma care, she needed academic tutoring support, her mother needed parenting classes, housing stability, and some counseling. But however, they did not access those services because they did not know how to navigate the bureaucracy. So what if we could retell Alicia's story? What if we can empower those police officers, those nurses, and those teachers that she interacted with all the services that Alicia needed access to? What if they had access to those at their fingertips through an online referral system? We knew we needed a technology solution, and that's when we reached out to STIR.
So as you can see, we're presented with a challenge. We need a tool that allows for Alicia, who represents the children and families in San Francisco, along with the service providers that she works with, to be able to access all of these needs and services in one place. So how do we do that? Well, at skyClutch, we've worked with multiple organizations such as 211s and United Ways, and we know that they already manage a lot of this data already. We also know that they work with software companies to manage this data, and in this case, they work with a company called iCarol. So the goal here is to implement data sharing, work with multiple organizations, integrate with the software companies that they're already using to create the service inventory. So what we've done so far is we've created a website that allows the user to search via text field, location search, and category search across multiple data sets from multiple organizations, and they can do all of this on a mobile device or desktop computer. Once they enter a search term that they're looking for, they're presented with a series of search results. From here, they can view more details about that service. They can add that service to their bookmarks. They can view their bookmarks, and they're presented with everything on a Google map. Delivering these results is easy. Simply click on your bookmarks, click on share, and you can share via text message, social media, email, or print.
To think through the benefits to our residents, we thought we would ask Alicia, who now has a family of her own. It's a referral system for her family. It's also a way for us to be cost-effective in how we address needs. It allows us on the back end to track needs for decision-making and better coordination as a city. And within our city, it allows us to build trust between government agencies and families. Alicia said, "This tool allowed me to go to one place for the services for my children. And when the city can help me address health and social issues, my children do better in school." What we've learned is that by organizing our systems among our service providers, we can provide better services for actual families. By partnering together across systems, we can support more than one need at a time. And departments are actually eager to share their systems data if it means that they can serve their clients better and more holistically.
So the next steps are bring on more organizations that share related data, such as prenatal care, housing, immigration services, and more. Continue to gather user feedback from the 3 data sets that we are currently using. Use statistics and analytics to see what people are searching for to make sure that we have all of the needs and services within this tool. And lastly, marketing. Getting this out to the community, letting the service providers know that this tool exists is going to be a big part of this project. This ends our presentation. Thank you very much, and a big thank you to STIR.
Thank you.